but unless I think sometimes we see the numbers, it's really not going to sink in. Let's see what happens when we raise that up to 30 pips. So we're risking 35 to make 30. Okay, look at that. Our expectancy just jumped up to positive, even though we have a low winning percentage. Now let me go to something that maybe more of you are relating to. Let's say if we had 60% here. Now look at this. It's jumped all the way up to 4 instead of a negative number. Okay, that's a huge jump in profitability if you're winning at 60%. Even if you're not winning a whole lot of dollars over your risk. Now, of course, this flies in the face of all the questions that I get about, what about this 2-to-1? Well, again, the 2-to-1 is a guide, but it's a very good guide. Here's why. Let's do this again. Worst case scenario. We'll go to 45% winners, but instead of 30, we'll put 70. Okay, look at this. This is why it's a good guide. If you won 45 times out of 100, in essence, okay, so over time you figured out 45% of the time I'm winning, at 2-to-1, look at this, 12. Now let's translate this into actual dollars, so we can talk, I think, a little bit better about what we're doing. So we take this number, we divide it by the total number of dollars that we're going to win, or pips that we're going to win. So for every dollar worth of risk, we can expect to make $1.17. Over time, that system will be profitable even if you're only winning 45% of the time. Okay, so over time, it will work. Now let's go down, let's see where this thing breaks. Let's go to 40%. Now it still wins at 40. Let's go to 35. Barely profitable. So even if you won 35%, let's look at it this way because this number is better. If you lost 65% of the time, if you were at 2-to-1, which means for every dollar you risk, you expect to make 2, you still have a positive expectancy, which means you can hope to make money over time. So again, what I would suggest that you do is just play with some of these numbers. Now, let's talk about some of the total dollars. Let me just go ahead and copy this down. Let's look at the totals. Okay, so again, what we're kind of playing around here is either we have 6 systems that we're trading, or we have 6 different errors that we make. However you want to play with the numbers, it doesn't matter. And we're taking in all of the winning percentages, all the losing percentages, the winning dollars, the losing dollars, and we're crunching all of those down into this. So what this is telling us is at these levels, we cannot hope to make 1 dime. What this means is for every dollar we put in, we're going to lose $1.36. That's not good.